Nature's Pharmacy is fantastic. It offers us common but powerful products that help prevent many health problems and cure others once they've begun to attack our bodies. Used by themselves, things like fruits, oils, vegetables, and natural chemical compounds have been used for millennia to treat basic ailments. However, combining complementary elements from Nature's Pharmacy often packs a more powerful punch and can fight off several health issues at the same time. Consider lemon and baking soda. Both have the power to make acidic substances more neutral. When paired together, they become even more efficient at raising our body's pH levels. But lemon juice adds an antioxidizing effect to the combination that assists the body in certain ways, while baking soda works in other ways to solve both internal and external maladies. Take a look at the following video to see exactly what lemon juice and baking soda combination can do for your health. Healthy immune system. One of the major issues with serious diseases like cancer is that they thrive in acidic environments. So by neutralizing the acid in our bodies and increasing its alkalinity, we can prevent and battle against many diseases. That's why lemon juice and baking soda can be effective in this battle. Lemon juice helps to prohibit the oxidation of our cells and protect them from being broken down. It also hinders the growth of microorganisms in our digestive tract. The baking soda balances our body's pH levels and doesn't allow acids to dominate. Like this, cancer is less likely to develop, much less thrive in our systems, thus reducing the risk of cancer. Healthy digestive system. Lemons are high in polyphenols, micronutrients found in natural food sources. Paired with vitamin C, these compounds help our body burn fat. Baking soda and lemon work together to regulate the acid in the gut. Less acid means less inflammation, and that eliminates heartburn, acid reflux, and a host of other issues associated with too much acid in our stomachs. Balanced acid levels provide for optimal digestion and less irritation after we eat. Healthy skin and teeth. When lemon juice is used externally, its high level of citric acid is a great cleanser. The antioxidants cut down on free radicals and slow the natural aging process that our skin goes through. Lemon juice can rejuvenate as well as clean the skin. In smaller doses, the mixture can be used to bleach our teeth. The acid of the lemon will whiten our teeth, and the baking soda will bring our mouth's environment back to a healthy balance. When we ingest lemon juice, it becomes metabolized and ceases to have an acidic effect on our organs. Instead, it helps our kidneys flush harmful toxins, proving that it's a great cleanser both externally and internally. That's encouraging for both our skin as well as our kidneys. Healthy circulatory system. Baking soda helps to alkalize our body, but it's also capable of improving our circulatory system by fighting bad cholesterol and increasing our good cholesterol levels. When blood is able to flow more freely through our arteries and veins, it makes us less likely to suffer from crippling heart diseases. We always recommend that you speak to your doctor before adding any mixture like this to your diet. It's important to know how natural remedies might interact with your prescription medications. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.